Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music, stream audio, whatever you want to call it, from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. Sometimes it's not as easy as you would like. It's not as intuitive as you would like. So what we do here, we go over to music. That's the tune that's going to play. I'm going to turn that down, but at the bottom there, that's what you're looking for. There's a tick next to Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. So if I have this set right, whatever's playing on here will come through the speakers, whether it's iTunes, a YouTube audio track, there's the soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Music, whatever, it will play through here. So that's that playing. We'll click play. Go over here. Now you can get to the media through this way. If I go like that, you can select media like so, or the easiest way, and why you get involved with all that, I just never know. There's a button, media, click media. Now that's come on to, it's not playing, even though it's showing there that it's connected, it's not playing on here. No memory card inserted. So what we have to do, click up. Now there's an arrow next to media. Sometimes that arrow doesn't show. And what you have to do, you have to go down here, up to media, and click media again. Let's just see if that's done it. Yeah, well, anyway, the arrow's there, but if it's not, just click on it again. So click on the media, then it's brought, it's taking you to memory card, and you think, well, yeah, I know it was on memory card. Now you have to turn this, media register, media interface again, and Bluetooth audio. That's what we need. We want Bluetooth audio, so we select that. Now, if I turn this up, there you go. That's how you play music through the system.